Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul. I have all the good haul, and first of all, Eddie is right there and he's eating his bone and he's making a lot of noises, so I apologize, I cannot kick him out. So anyway, let's get started. So here are my Hermes items that I'm gonna show you what I've got recently. I'm also gonna include one Chanel item very quick. I think I'm gonna start with the Chanel. One of the Hermes item is actually my husband, but I know there is some male audience that are watching my videos, so I just thought I'll show you anyway. So let me quickly start with this, because this is something that I posted a long time ago on my Instagram, probably in November, early December, and you guys said that I look so good in them. So these are the glasses, but these are actually my prescription glasses. So I haven't shown you these yet on the YouTube. They come in the new kind of a case. Do you see this? It's all kind of a quilted, and yeah, it says Chanel right here. It's all like, I think this is like a lambskin. It's really nice, kind of different case. You know, the other Chanel prescription glasses that I have, they come in this kind of a hard case, but this is completely different. So anyway, I just got them. I don't have a lenses yet, so I wanted to show you basically the shape, because this is just something new to me. And yeah, I was very excited to get these. So they do comes in different color, but the one I picked up are like kind of tortoiseshell. They do have like a CC here on both sides, which is, I just thought, you know, it kind of looks nice when someone look at you from the, you know, profile. I think my ring light is making a lot of glare, but these are really nice. Obviously, like I said, I don't have a lenses yet. They have very nice kind of a shape. I'm gonna put them on so you guys can see, but I was gonna go and get my lenses put in them. But yeah, I'm super excited. I was waiting for 2 months for them to get, because I ordered them back in, I think it was the end of November or the beginning of December. And yes, I waited 2 months, and the reason it took so long, because I want to go through my insurance, so at least, you know, some percentage the insurance would cover, you know, for the frames. Yeah, it just takes forever, like everything takes these days. So yeah, so I'm very excited about my new glasses. I'm super happy they're finally here. Like I said, it took forever, but yeah. So this is all like a velvet. Huh, pretty nice. So anyway, so now let's get into my Hermes items. Like I mentioned, I have 3 items, and one of them is my husband's. I'm gonna say it's a small but mighty haul. It's expensive. Okay, small things, but expensive things, and you'll see what I mean. So the very first thing is just something that I didn't need it. Obviously, I don't need any of those stuff, but I just wanted to have it. So it, you know, it comes in the usual box, and you probably know what it is. Comes in the dust bag, and yes, I already wore it, and I'm talking about my new click-clack bracelet. So if you guys remember, I've got one for Christmas from my husband, which I have it in here, and this is actually the black with the gold hardware, and I ordered this nude with rose gold hardware, so you can probably, I hope you can see the difference. And I also decided to order a different size. This is the black one is in the GM size, which is, that's really what I wanted, but I figure like it's better, the PM fits on me a little bit better, because the GM sits a little bit, you know, down there. And this is the PM size, so this is slightly smaller. Let me just put it on so you can see it. I have my Tiffany bracelet, my gold Tiffany bracelet, but this is how it looks like. I don't really wear it as a, like a stack, you know, I don't like to wear 10,000 bracelets, so I usually carry one on my wrist. So yeah, PM size definitely fits me better. I don't know why. I was thinking, because I usually like to kind of put my bracelets like down, you know, just push it down. But yeah. So yeah, this one is in GM, so this one is a little bit bigger. So I've decided to go for this one, and it is in a rose gold, you know, color, which is, you know, it's just something different. I thought it would be great for the summer. I still do have on my wish list, I want to get a white, and I was thinking get this typical Hermes orange, you know, as well. So yeah, and I do like, you know, the kind of the narrow size. I mentioned many times I had before the thicker one, I think it was like 1 inch. And it was just way too heavy. So yeah, so these are just perfect. So I'm slowly building up my Hermes click, how do you call them? Click bracelet collection. So yeah, I'm super excited about this purchase. So this little thing I am the most excited about, so I'm gonna give it like last. I'm gonna show you it last. So I'm gonna show you what my husband got himself. This is the pair of shoes, and he didn't wear them yet. He only like kind of walk around the house, but I just want to share with you because these are so cute. So these are called, let me show you both of them. These are called Bouncy sneakers, or bounce, something like that. And they do have that, you know, the H kind of going on an angle, and another H is on this side, and they do comes in so many different colors. Here's the bottom. The top here is the suede, and this is some kind of like a fabric material, and then you can see this little orange kind of a peeking through, and this is all leather inside. He said they are super comfortable. You know, they're not going to be his like work shoes, because with his scraps he always wear sneakers, but he always goes for like New Balance, you know, one of those super comfortable. He needs to have a lot of cushion, so he wouldn't probably wear this to work, but he said this is going to be his like casual, you know, kind of weekend shoes. So yeah, what do you guys think? I actually like them very much, and I'm thinking that maybe I should get myself a pair of these sneakers. Yeah, I mean, they have so many different ones actually on the, I was looking the other day on the Hermes website. Some of them kind of have a funky design, but I do really like this kind of, you know, H design, and sometimes they come with like 2 different color H's, you know, and of course they have different colors, you know, happening. So yeah, so these are his new Hermes sneakers. So you guys, like I mentioned, this last item is something that I'm the most excited about, and it is super expensive. So let me just show you what it is. I obviously already opened up everything, so let me just show you what I've got, you guys. So this is the Constance Wallet. This is not a slim, I think there's like there's 2 types. There's a slim wallet, or like kind of that has something that you can put like a belt through and just wear around your waist, if I'm correct. I might be wrong. And that's like kind of a full size, kind of a compact wallet. So this is the bigger version, and this is so beautiful. So I have it in this beautiful, beautiful kind of a fuchsia pink color. I still have let me take those stickers out so you can see. It's a palladium hardware. I don't know how you say it. It's brand new. Let me just remove those protective stickers. Here it is. Oh, it smells so good, and yeah, it's small and it's super expensive. It's a piece of luxury, and it's when you touch this, and if especially like inside, let me just show you. So you basically lift that little section here, and it's just opens up. Let me just remove the little protection here. And this is obviously all pink inside, and it's so, smells so good. It's so smooth. It's so buttery soft. I don't even know. Honestly, I don't know what leather it is. It's super smooth. That's all I'm gonna say. It's pretty roomy. So it's just kind of different, you know what I mean? Like, I don't have a card to show you, but you basically, I haven't used it yet. You basically put the card like vertically. Hold on, there's still stickers in here. Oh, let me just take it off. So you basically put the cards like vertically, not horizontally, as you know, most of the wallets. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spots here up front, and there's 2 more in here. There's obviously a slip pocket right here in the back, and then you have big 2 compartments, and then obviously this is for, you know, a little opening for your coins in here. So yeah, and this obviously there is a little slip pocket here on the back. It's all lined in leather. Yes, this is all leather, inside leather, outside, and then you just push it in here and you just close it. So it is like, you know, it's a good size wallet. I wouldn't say it's a mini. I mean, if you see like against my hand, it just takes a lot. And you know, they do come in different colors, but they're pretty much impossible to find, you know. But yeah, I am so excited about this. I'm looking forward to use it, to move into it now. I have it for like 2 weeks, and I just wanted to do this video before I show you guys. So yeah, let me know what you think about this wallet, and let me know if you own one, because that smaller version, there is, I think there's less of one gusset maybe. I don't know. It's a lot thinner, and I think it has like a little loop here that you can kind of put around your waist or something. Like it's a lot thinner. But I obviously I'm not gonna wear like a belt bag or anything like that. So I just wanted like a typical wallet, and I just thought this was great. So yeah, I am super, super excited about my new wallet. You know, I love my Louis Vuitton wallets. I love my Chanel compact wallets, and you know, this is just something new to me. I'm slowly dipping my toes more into Hermes, and I love the Constance bag. Constance is, I'm not maybe too crazy about the straps, because I feel like they're a little out of place, but if I could get my hand on the biggest Constance, what is it, 2022, 24? I don't know exactly the size. I'll have to do some more research, but yes, I was super lucky that I was able to score this beauty, and I'm super, super excited. So I'm gonna move into it, and I'm gonna, you know, later on I can obviously do a little review and tell you how it all works out. And you know, just the fact that you have to put your cards a little bit differently, it's just, you know, just a little adjustment. And yeah, I think it's beautiful. Alright guys, so this is it for today. So that was a quick haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what do you think about my new wallet, my glasses, and yeah, my husband is very excited about his shoes, and obviously the click-lock bracelet. Yes, the next one on my list is probably the white, either with a silver or with the gold hardware. I don't know. I'll think about it, but yeah, I think white for the summer would be awesome. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Obviously, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can find me on the Instagram, which I'm trying to be active. Not always works, but I'll do my best. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!